finally available. The new Quest 2 update known as V47 adds some fantastic new features for your VR headset. So let's get straight to it and make sure you smash that like and subscribe button on your way in. The brand new V47 version is also the Quest 2's final update for the year 2022. And your hands now seem entirely different, which you will definitely notice right away. This is due to the fact that your meta avatar was merged into your virtual reality home. Additionally, this is utilized in games like Golf Plus and Table Tennis 11. Previously, when the first Quest launched, all you could see were your own controllers. The translucent outlines, often known as ghost hands, were included in a recent software update, but with version 47, they have been completely replaced. Another significant feature you can utilize is a brand new mirror function, which enables you to view and change your avatar according to your preferences.
Nice.
However, you may now employ background audio playback inside your experimental features, which is undoubtedly one of the most requested things ever. This enables you to continue listening to music being played by your browser window or other programs, such as Spotify. While doing so, you can complete some useful tasks or play some virtual reality games. And the length of time it took for them to integrate this truly amazed me. The ability to capture the view from your past two cameras is undoubtedly one of the update's most significant additions. And it is also the first direct function for the Quest Pro. And this completely changes the game because in the past, the headgear would literally darken out your surroundings if you recorded your mixed reality experience. But now that it almost qualifies as a wearable camera, the Quest Pro has many people worried about their privacy. However, they did add a video demonstrating how the LED or LED on the front of the Quest Pro would show whether the headset is in mixed reality or VR mode. With this approach, those around them could be informed if the person is capable of seeing them or not. However, there's more, since the MetaQuest mobile app will also get some significant improvements. Because of their total redesign, this program can be used to install apps, invite friends to play VR, and is essential if you wish to set up your Quest headset. However, many owners of Quests complained that the app was made primarily for the purpose of boosting their marketing, rather of generally focusing on operating your headsets and making contact with friends. Thankfully, it appears that some of the feedback was heard by Meta because the app now features a button bar at the top that allows you to instantly cast some of your headset while simultaneously opening a screen where you can access your app library, modify your headset settings, or view a list of contacts sorted by how recently they have been online. And tapping any of them will open a panel so you can talk with them or immediately invite them to a VR experience. And in comparison to the previous version, the entire process is considerably more user-friendly and accessible. Meta didn't stop there though, as websites can now include a link that will start an online VR experience right from a Quest. Any device with a modern browser, including your phone and laptop, can be used for this. A link that will take you to a VR interface is an example that you can see on your screen right now, sending you to the page where it asks you to select the headset you want to use to launch it. If your headset is turned on and connected to the internet, clicking open will immediately start the MetaQuest browser and direct you to the desired website. Thus, the page will already be loaded when you put on your headset, which is a wonderful feature. With V47, you can also share your wish list if you need to fast switch from your other device to your virtual reality headset. This feature makes it very simple for other people to offer you a specific game for Christmas and the New Year, making it a very helpful one. All you need to do is make your wishlist settings public. After sharing this publicly, go to the wishlist tab in the MetaQuest shop. Afterwards, you'll have the option to make a link and share your wishlist with others. But given that it is typical for these significant improvements to roll out gradually over time, and depending on the region you live in, some of you might not be able to use these capabilities just yet. And speaking of the Quest Pro, Meta also posted a video demonstrating how its mixed reality headset performs, primarily emphasizing how it works when used in collaboration with a partner and how it uses a point cloud to identify items in your space. The same is true for an updated video on how to secure your headset when using multiple accounts at once so that you may lock each one separately and switch between them by entering a passcode. And a smaller minor update looked at the Quest Pro's social presence features. The main focus of this was iron facial tracking, but it should be noted that you can choose to totally turn this function off or on, as well as set it off for specific games or apps if that's what you prefer. This gives you more flexibility over how you utilize these features. But hold on, there's even stranger news. The Moco Pi, which pops out with its vivid colors, is a gadget developed by none other than Sony that is capable with Quest and complete body tracking for VR chat. Even while many other businesses are working on the same thing, such as Pico, which intends to release its own fitness band, The Walking Dead Saint and Sinners Chapter 2, commonly known as Retribution, has officially launched on the Quest 2, which brings us to some major VR gaming news. The first Saint and Sinners game, which lets you face off with dramatic zombie fights, is virtually always on any list about the top VR games, and its sequel is unquestionably no exception, making it one of the most anticipated games of this year. However, those without a Quest 2 headset must wait until the game launches on PSVR 2 and Steam in March. But this game will undoubtedly be worthwhile for those who can. Additionally, discounted packages including both games are available. Therefore, now is the ideal time to give it a try. And the same is true for the new game Friendbox. Because it is essentially a combination of Yard Talk and Omegle, this game is possibly one of the most distinctive and innovative ones that will be released in the future. The game gives you a plot of land where you may start from scratch and create your own world. It also allows you to connect with other players so that you can share the worlds you make with each other. It's a combination of a social VR game and world building, however, is what makes it so special. Once you link up with another person, you may explore their worlds while also having the option to trade stuff or take part in various activities with them. And the developers are quite dedicated about making their game available in virtual reality. We recently received some further significant Quest 2 updates, so make sure you don't miss them by clicking on the video you currently see on the screen. Of course, I'll leave a link to that Kickstarter in the description below for those who are interested. And of course, till next time, stay awesome!